with level 2 what it is and how you may use it. So this is AMD, which is more of an actively traded stock, and just the basics of say level 2 for me at least on Fidelity is you can see the bid and ask up here what's going on it. These are where the trades come in as they're executed, and then you can see all the like limit orders, people waiting to buy right here. And so this of course shares, bids of the buy side, asks sell side, shares, and the market they're on, like where they're trading. That's not necessarily as important as just the shares and the bid and ask. And then if you look over here, like I said, this is where they come in when they're executed, and so white ones are going to be like market orders, or I mean orders that are just executed at the market price, and then green is generally someone that's willing to buy above the market price, even if it's just by like a tenth of a cent, so you can't see it, and then red is generally below, and you can of course see the quantity and the price they buy at and the time. And then just wanted to say like how a lot of people use level 2 maybe there's probably not a whole lot you can tell from it right now, but you can just kind of quickly see the supply looking down here, and the supply looking down here and the demand looking on this side. And so on the bid that say if that's at 28.05, let's say at right at 28 there was a bid for 500,000, and we're seeing here that the average one traded is a couple hundred to maybe like low 1,000 shares. So if on the bid at say 28 someone put 500,000 shares, then you would know that you'd be pretty safe to around 28 jump in, because someone has to eat through that bid if it wants to drop below 28. And if they don't eat through that bid, then it's going to hold 28 if he keeps his order there. And on the opposite, you can kind of watch this and see if someone puts on the ask at 28.15, let's say they put on the ask 500,000 shares, then probably the stock's going to start falling because a lot of people see this, and that it's probably not going to get past that order. And you can see it looks like right now a lot of people are piling up on the ask at 28.15 and 16, and now just know that this doesn't show these are just limit orders that are already priced there. People can always come in with a market order and do whatever they want. These are just certain orders that you're able to see, but it is a pretty accurate representation sometimes of, in the immediate short term, what's going to happen. And on a stock where a lot of shares are traded and where maybe things are going on, it is pretty useful to use, and I think it's a really good tool, and people I think should learn how to use it because it can really tell a story sometimes about why did that stock drop. Well, sometimes it's because someone put 500,000 shares on the ask, and so people see that and they get out just because they know that there's a big seller that's trying to get out right there. And so anyway, that's just a little bit of the basics on that and how you can use it.